So guys, in trading, there's always risk. There's always risk. As long as you press that button on your phone, you execute that trade, you have taken a risk. Sometimes when I take trades and I upload them on my Telegram channel and it goes to my stop loss, I would always tell them something that whenever I take a trade and it goes to a loss, I lose the trade, it hits my stop loss, I don't feel bad. I don't feel terrible. I don't feel sad. Because it has happened to me so many times. It has happened to me for years now. It has been happening. And this has allowed me rewire my mind to always do something, which I'm going to tell you today. Before I execute any trade, before I take a trade, no matter how sure I am about the trade, no matter how confident I am about the trade, if it's my A+ setup, it's not my A+ setup, no matter how the setup might look beautiful, the first question I ask myself is, how much am I willing and okay with losing on this trade? I ask myself that question and I answer the question. Okay, I am comfortable with losing $50. I'm comfortable with losing 1% of my account. I'm comfortable with losing $200. I'm comfortable with losing $400. As long as I've answered that question, then I will calculate my risk size. That's my lot size. I'll calculate it with in line with my stop loss, and I execute the trade. After executing the trade, I have accepted that risk. I have accepted the risk. And when it goes to my stop loss and I lose the trade, I know that before the trade execution, I have seen it that, okay, if I lose this trade, I am comfortable. One thing I tell people most times is, risk what you can afford to lose. It's as simple as that. When you hear risk management, risk what you can afford to lose on that trade. If you deposit $100 in your trading account and you want to take a trade, if you know you are comfortable with losing the whole $100 in one trade and you will not shake, risk the whole $100. It's not advisable though, but risk it. If you know that it is only $10 you can risk on that trade, or $20, risk only $10 or $20. If you are trading a larger account size and you are risking 1%, 2%, 3% per trade, risk only that 1%, that 2%. Risk that amount and you have peace of mind. There are some risks you take in trading and you'll be shaking, you'll be fidgeting. Your heart will be beating very fast when you are in loss. That is over risking and it is bad. It is very, very bad. But when you risk what you can afford to lose, even when the trade goes against you and you lose the trade, you know that you are comfortable with that loss. And you can always come back for the next trade to risk another amount that you are comfortable with losing. This is something that has given me peace of mind in trading. And so many other traders you see out there, it is something that gives us this peace of mind and reduces the emotional impact that trade has on us. There's this emotional impact. It's very painful. It's painful when you lose money. You lose too much money that you don't want to lose. For example, you deposited $1,000 in your trading account and you're taking your first trade and you're losing $600 or $400 in your first trade. If you're not emotionally strong, it will pain you. it will pain you. So, but if you are risking $100, $50 from that $1,000 account, you know you are comfortable with that risk. You take the trade. Even when you lose the trade, you will still be at peace because you still have more money to come back and take the next trade. So this is something I've been doing that has been helping me in my trading. Sometimes I will have back-to-back losses. I don't feel bothered. I don't feel sad. I just look at it that, okay, how much did I lose on this trade? And I know the amount because I've calculated it before taking the trade. So when I take the next trade, I know that, okay, my win, if it gets to my TP, can recover my previous loss and still give me profit. I'm good. I am good. If I lose a trade, it doesn't pain me. But when I over-risk, that is what pains me. So how do I control that pain? By risking what I can afford to lose. So the best trading advice that you can ever have, that they can ever give you is risk what you can afford to lose on each trade. That is it. If you continue trading like that, you find yourself trading with peace of mind. You'll be less pressured. The pressure will be subsided. You'll be less pressure, and you won't take every trade to heart. You won't take every trade to heart. So I am urging you that when you want to take a trade, ask yourself, how much am I willing and ready to lose on this trade? Answer that question, then calculate your lot size aligned with your stop loss, then set it and forget it, then watch the outcome. If you can do this multiple times, you will see improvements in your trading. Believe me, you will see improvements in your trading. So remember, trading is a risky business. So whatever money you are risking, just know that you should be able and comfortable with losing that money. Just risk what you can afford to lose, and over time you will be okay. You'll be fine. You will be fine. So if you have any friend or you have any trader who is always complaining that they are losing too much money, in trading, share this video to them. Let them hear what I said. It will have a positive impact on their trading, so they can understand that if they want to reduce that pain they are feeling, they should risk what they can afford to lose and stay consistent with it. It will really, really help them. Trust me, it will help them massively.